Hi everybody, I am going to discuss multimedia top 10 probable question, that is sure question, top 10 sure questions. Hi everybody, I am going to discuss a different file format that in multimedia. This is a very important question. First of all, GIF format. The graphics interchange format, full form of GIF is graphics interchange format, was invented in 1987 by CompuServe to allow images to be displayed. This format allows 256 color, compression, interlacing, and animation. This is a very powerful form suitable for various types of images. GIF uses LZW, Lambert-Welch compression algorithm. There are two GIF standard, GIF 87A and GIF 89B. And the GIF 89A GIF allow multiple images that to be included in a single file. What are the advantage of GIF? The advantage of GIF is it is very powerful format. It provides option to specify how many numbers of color will be saved. It provides the options to specify how many numbers of color will be saved, which to decrease the size of an image. Files are compact. It uses transparency control concept and supports streaming of images. You can get rid of rectangular border of the image. So these are the advantages. This and the next advantages is it allows interlacing and animation, uses non-lossy compression techniques suitable for online transmission and interchange of graphics data. GIF file format is independent on computer hardware and operating system. So GIF format, computer hardware and operating system are independent. Disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? Decompression is slower than RLE. Decompression is slower এই মেথডে it uses only palette color and no provision for 24 GB RGB color files. It has no provision for 4 or 8-bit grayscale and no grayscale or color correction data. So these are the disadvantages and advantages of GIF. So the full form GIF is that is the important file format, that is graphics interchange format. It is invented in 1987 by CompuServe that allow images to be displayed. Format is 256 color, compression, interlacing. It uses LZW algorithm. The advantages is very powerful format. Many colors will be saved, which to decrease the size of an image. Files are compact and it use transparency concept and support streaming of images. Next file format is BMP file format. Next file format is BMP file format. A BMP bitmap file, full form is bitmap file. A BMP file contains an exact pixel by pixel mapping of images. It contains exact pixel by pixel mapping of image, which can then be reconstructed by the rendering application on the display surface on an output device. It can be compressed. If image is resized, quality of image drops drastically. It image is resized, quality of image drops drastically. BMP files are Microsoft Windows bitmap file. This file can be created and read by Windows Paint. All Windows application can import them. The Windows bitmap or BMP files are images file within the Microsoft Windows operating system. In fact, it was the at that one point of the new few images format. It was at one point of one of the few images format. These are file are large and uncompressed, but images are rich in color, high in quality, simple and compatible all Windows OS program. BMP file also called raster or paint images. BMP files are made of millions dot of pixel with different color and rearrangement that come up to the image or pattern. It might an 8-bit or 16-bit or 24-bit image. Thus, when you make an BMP image larger or smaller, you are making an individual pixel larger, thus making the shape look fuzzy and jagged. BMP files are not great, not very popular, being oversized. BMP file are not what you call on the web friendly. It a web friendly not or they are compatible to in all platform, do not scale well. So what are the advantages? Works well with Microsoft Windows. It mainly Microsoft Windows জন্য ভালো ব্যবহার হয় and Microsoft Windows operating system and programs. You can use it as Windows. Wallpaper, the Windows wallpaper আমরা ইউজ করতে পারি। Disadvantages: do not scale or compress well, compress করা হয় না বা scale করা ভালো যায় না, zigzag হয়ে যেতে পারে। Again, very huge image file, making it not web friendly, and it is not real advantage over the image format. So these are the BMP format, that is Windows format, bitmap format, or the bitmap pixel, that is the Windows bitmap. So this is the BMP format. Next is TIFF format. What is TIFF format? Full form of TIFF is tagged image file format. Tagged image. Almost every graphics application can read and write TIFF files. There are many variation of TIFF, considering the TIFF support 6 different encoding routines and 3 different image modes: black and white, grayscale and colors. Uncompressed TIFF image may be 148, 24, 32-bit pixel per pixel. TIFF images compressed using LZW algorithm, maybe 48 or 24 pixel. TIFF file can have save RGB, CMYK, and lab color mode information, but not dual tones. What are the advantages? TIFF lossless compression of file. It applies. TIFF created with Aldus for desktop publishing. By 2009, it was transferred to the control of Adobe system. TIFF is very popular among common user, but it has gained recognition in the graphics design, publishing, photography industry. It is very popular among Apple users. Above is the screenshot of how it was very popular among Apple users. The TIFF image format is very easy to use with software that deals TIFF image file format is very easy to use with software that deals with page layout, publishing, and photo manipulation via fax scanning, word processing, etc. TIFF is very flexible. It can be lossy or lossless. TIFF is very rich format, supported by many imaging program. It is capable of recording half-tone images data with different pixel intensities. Thus, it is the perfect format of graphics storage, processing, and printing. This makes TIFF superior raster image format. What are the advantages? Pros of TIFF: very flexible format. It supports several algorithm, compression algorithm, high quality image format. All color data information are stored. TIFF format can now be saved with layers. What are the disadvantages? Very large file size. This is the main disadvantage. Very large file size. Long transfer time. It takes long transfer time, huge disk space consumption, and slow loading time. What are the disadvantages? These are the very what are the disadvantages? Very large in size in file. It takes long transfer time, huge disk space consumption, and slow loading time. So these are the disadvantages of TIFF. Now, JPEG file format. JPEG file format. Full form of JPEG is Joint Picture Expert Group. It is one of the popular file format. It uses compression technique to store images which is lossy. It may use wrong color choice after compression. It supports gray RGB color models. JPG is a standard format developed by Joint Photographic Expert Group, allowing the transfer of files between wide variety of platforms. Using superior compression technique, JPG support 8-bit grayscale, color depth up to 32-bit CMYK. JPG is short from Joint Picture Expert Group, and is one of the popular among image format over the internet. JPG files are very lossy, meaning so much information is lost from the original image when you save it in JPG file. This is because JPG discard most of the information to keep the image size very small, which means some degree of quality it also lost. Eta kichu quality lost ho jay. Almost every digital camera can shoot and save in JPG format. JPG is very web friendly because the file is smaller, which means it takes up less room, require less time to transfer it to sites. Moreover, it's less grainy than GIF. old king of the internet boost. Since 1994, JPEG has been considered the standard. What are the disadvantages? What are the advantage? What are the advantage of JPEG? It is a 24-bit colors with up to 16 million colors, rich colors, and great for photographs that needs fine attention to color details. Most used, most widely accepted image format, compatible to most OS. What are the disadvantage? It tend to discard a lot of data because it uses lossy compression. After compression, JPG tend to create artifacts, cannot be animated, does not support transparency. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of JPG. Now the PNG file format. Full form of PNG is Portable Network Graphics. Is recently introduced format. Not so everyone familiar with it, but PNG has been approved as standards in 1996. It is an image format specially designed for the web. PNG is all aspect superior version of GIF, but like GIF format, PNG is saved with 256 color maximum, but it saves the color information more efficiently. It supports 8-bit transparency. PNG was actually created for the intent to replace GIF image format that does not require a patent license. PNG can support 24-bit RGB color images, grayscale images, but without alpha channel. RGB cannot support CMOI color shape, and it is not designed for the print graphics. What are the advantages? Lossless, so it does not lose quality and of image compression. It is lot way to better than GIF. To start, PNG often creates smaller file size than GIF. Support transparency better than GIF. It allows transparency. What are the disadvantages? Not good for large images because they tend to generate a very large file, sometimes larger than the JPG. Unlike GIF, however, it can be animated. It cannot be animated. Unlike GIF, it cannot be animated, and not all web browsers support PNG. Thank you very much for watching this video. So these are the important question of multimedia technology.